Hello, my name is Lim Xing Zhou with matrix number A165930. Today I would like to present my poster about the study of altered ARID1A expressions in colorectal cancer. I would like to start the presentations with the abstract of the articles. This study is conducted to investigate the role of ARID1A methylations and copy number variations in short CNV in its expression in colorectal cancer cell line. 6 colorectal cancer cell lines are used for real-time PCR to determine both CNV and expressions of ARID1A. Among the 18 CRC tumors, which are colorectal cancer tumor study, 7, which are 38.8%, and 5 tumors, 27.7%, show no or low ARID1A expression respectively. No ARID1A CNV was observed in the colorectal cell lines. In conclusion, ARID1A expression is downregulated in colorectal cancer tissues, which correlates with it being a tumor suppressor. Now I would like to talk about the introductions of the articles. Colorectal cancer is rapidly increasing in prevalence among several regions of the world, such as Asia. AT-rich interactive domain containing protein 1A, which are ARID1A, as tumor suppressor genes and participates in chromatin remodeling, epithelial mesenchymal transitions, and many other cellular and molecular processes. Studies on ARID1A expression in colorectal cancers is limited. A relative high mutation rate of ARID1A was reported in the colorectal cancer, which is 10 to 40%. Now I would like to present about the objective of these articles. This study is to investigate the role of ARID1A methylations and CNV, which are the copy number variations in its expression in colorectal cancer CRC cell lines. Besides, this study is to examine the relationship between ARID1A status with survival and clinical pathology characteristic in patients with colorectal cancer. Next, I would like to talk about the methodologies of this study. Real-time PCR, which are RT-PCR, is used to determine both copy number variations, CNV, and expressions of ARID1A from 6 CRC cell lines. Methylation-specific PCR, MSP, then used to evaluate methylations of ARID1A. Then immunohistochemistry, IHC, was used to assess elevated microsatellite alterations at selected tetranucleotide repeats, in short EMAST, status in 18 pairs CRC and adjacent normal tissues were evaluated. 5-azacitidine 5-AZADC was used to assess effect of DNA demethylations on ARID1A expressions. Last but not least, statistical analysis was performed to establish correlations between ARID1A expressions and other parameters. Now I would like to talk about the results and discussions for this study. There was no significant difference in ARID1A expressions for overall patient survival, and no difference between clinical pathological parameters, including MSI and EMAST, is observed. However, lymphatic infections was more pronounced in the low or no ARID1A expression group when compared to moderate and high expression group, which are 33% versus 10.6% respectively. Conclusions: there are a high incidence of ARID1A expression loss in colorectal cancer found and suggests ARID1A as a tumor suppressor. This finding confirmed ARID1A loss of expression in colorectal development. The in vitro results suggest high methylation status associates with reduced ARID1A expressions and contribute to colorectal tumorigenesis. There was no significance associated between ARID1A loss of expressions and clinical pathological characteristics. Thank you.